your website rankings are dropping, traffic is shrinking, and nothing you're doing seems to work. That's because SEO in 2025 is ruthless. Keep up or you will be invisible. In this video, I will reveal the 3 secrets you need to rescue your rankings and dominate the competition. Don't let your site disappear. Let's fix it now. You need to look at how SEO has evolved over the last decade. Before the lockdown, it was all about keyword density. Then it shifted to backlinks and domain authority. Then in 2021, Google started prioritizing intent. And now in 2025, AI is in control. That's why if you're not keeping up, your website isn't just falling behind, it's vanishing. And let's be real, no one's scrolling endlessly to find you. But you don't have to worry because these 3 secret SEO sauces are going to revolutionize the way you used to be. This secret number 1 is AI and search intent domination. So you've optimized your page perfectly. You've done keyword research, added high quality backlinks, and written long form content. But when you check your rankings, nothing is moving. Worse, your traffic is dropping. The problem? Google isn't just ranking pages based on keywords anymore. It's ranking them based on intent, what the user actually wants, not just what they type. For example, a user searches best budget-friendly running shoes. Are they looking for a top 10 list, a direct recommendation, or a durability comparison? If your content just repeats keywords like cheap running shoes without actually answering the question, Google's AI buries your page while ranking a competitor who does. And here's the real challenge. AI-powered search is changing everything. With Google Search Generative Experience, users can get answers without even clicking website. If your content isn't structured in a way that AI can pull into feature snippets or AI-driven results, you lose traffic before a searcher even sees your link. So how do you win in this AI-dominated SEO world? You align your content with search intent using a smarter approach. First, use AI-driven tools like Surfer SEO, ChatGPT, or ClearScope to analyze intent. Study top ranking results. Are they guides, comparisons, or reviews? Match what's already working. Second, structure your content so Google's AI can really understand it. And third, focus on user engagement. If visitors click and leave because they don't find answers fast, your rankings drop. Keep content scannable, valuable, and engaging. SEO in 2025 is about understanding the searcher, not just the search. Nail this and you'll rank higher and stay ahead. Now let's talk about secret number 2, visual and voice searches. Because search isn't just text anymore. Every day, more people talk to search engines instead of typing. Instead of searching best Italian restaurants, they say, "Hey Google, where's the best Italian restaurant near me with outdoor seating?" At the same time, visual search is skyrocketing. Every month, people use Google Lens over 8 billion times. Instead of typing, they just take a picture and expect an instant answer from Google. If your content isn't optimized for these changes, the content that you worked hours to produce or days will have no benefit. Why? Because your voice search results are brutally competitive. You know this, right? If you type a query, Google shows 10 blue links. But when you ask a question using voice search, Google gives just one answer. If your site isn't structured to be that single answer, you're out of the game entirely. Now imagine the aura of that website Google chooses. It radiates, dominates confidence and pure search engine enlightenment, while every other site sits in the shadows, questioning its existence. So how do you win in a world dominated by voice and visual search? First, you optimize for conversational queries. Voice searches are full sentences, not short phrases. Instead of best smartphones 2025, target what are the best smartphones under $500 this year. Use FAQs, structured Q&A formats, and schema markup to improve your chances of being Google's single voice answer. Second, make your images searchable. Google Lens relies on alt text, file names, and structured data. Instead of labeling an image blue shirt, use cotton blue dress shirt with buttons and XYZ details. Third, focus on image quality and metadata. High resolution images with clear, descriptive labeling rank better. Compress files for speed, but don't sacrifice clarity. Google prioritizes visually rich, well-optimized content. Now let's talk about secret number 3, why user experience is now the ultimate ranking factor. You click on a website, but it takes forever to load. The layout shifts, the buttons move, and suddenly you click the wrong thing. Frustrating, right? You're not alone. Google knows users hate this, and in 2025, it's punishing sites that offer a poor experience. Google's Core Web Vitals measure 3 key factors: loading speed, layout stability, and mobile friendliness. If your site is slow, cluttered, or difficult to navigate, it won't just frustrate visitors, it will sink in rankings.
God almighty.
A 1-second delay in load time can cut conversion by 20%. Mobile users expect instant results, and if they bounce, Google notices. The longer the stay, the higher you rank. Fixing this isn't complicated. First, compress images. Large files slow down your site. Use WebP instead of JPEG or PNG for better quality at smaller sizes. Second, use CDN, a content delivery network. This speeds up loading times by serving content from multiple locations worldwide. Third, streamline navigation. A clear, intuitive layout keeps visitors engaged and signals to Google that your site delivers value. SEO in 2025 isn't just about what you say, it's about how smoothly users experience it. All right, we've just unlocked the 3 biggest SEO secrets of 2025. Now let's take it to the next level. It's time to master cutting-edge backlink strategies in the AI era. Click this video before it's too late.